getting ready to get ready to pack. Does that make sense? I need to purge, flip some things, decide what I'm keeping, decide what I'm not keeping. Well, one of the pieces of furniture that has been in my life for, I want to say, like 15 years has been a shelf that I got from Robin Elmore, shout out. Currently, this has played a part in my Opa Baby workshops. It has played a part in, I want to say, a sewing, like a multi-purpose room, if you will, at some other house. And now it has been on my porch for the last year. However, I don't have a porch, sadly, at the place where I am moving next. So I'm gonna see what I can do. I would love to bring some of the plants that I have worked hard to keep alive this year. They're over there. I would love to keep some of those inside, like maybe right by a window. So I don't need this thing to be purple anymore. I'm gonna go ahead and give it a white once over and see how this does. As much as it's going to get done because I am out of paint. I did it with one of those little tiny ones that was left over from my old house. So, ta-da! And second thought, I probably should have used a primer, but oh well.